Hi there, welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. Place the motorcycle on the center stand on a level ground before checking the oil level. Start and warm up the engine for 2 minutes. Turn off the ignition and wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now check the oil level at the inspection window on the right-hand cover. There are 2 level marks, maximum and minimum, on the inspection window. If the oil level is below the minimum mark, top up until the level is in between the maximum and minimum marks. Always use Royal Enfield recommended oil only and never mix 2 different grades of oil. Make sure the cap is screwed back on tightly. And that's it. You've just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield twin in good shape.